Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com, and this is a stock swing trading tutorial video. I'm using the ThinkorSwim platform with our roller coaster indicator suite here. Now Twitter, I just made a day trading example with Twitter using a different indicator suite, but this time I've gone back to the same stock because some people, when they're trading stocks, just pick those five stocks and just trade them, and that's probably one of the most sensible things to do, because you become really intimate with those stocks. You can day trade them, swing trade them, start to understand that behavior. And Twitter is one of the ones that I like, because we do get that roller coaster motion in there with the stock price, and we can trade that. So the roller coaster really is a stochastic MACD cross strategy with a few extra sort of buzzers from some EMAs and things like that. And all it's worked out is behind the scenes. It just prints on there. So this is sort of March and April and a bit of May of 2022, and a couple of trades, one that didn't trigger and two trades that did. And right away you can see why we call it the roller coaster. We move up, we come back down, we move up, we come back down. So it's like a roller coaster ride. And sometimes we can capture those with this type of strategy with the roller coaster indicator suite. So what we're looking for really is to get a signal. The first thing to do, on look left, we get this green arrow. The signal, the entry for the long is at this point, 35.56. The stop is printed down here. We go long. Remember, we're swinging this, so we just leave it. That's a stop loss. We're prepared to lose money at this point. Doesn't take the stop out, starts to then come back up again. So we had a very shallow pullback after the entry, and then we start to print our trailing stop positions. This is the 4-hour chart. So every 4 hours, you just need to adjust the trailing stop, and then we get the massive gap up here. Okay, some people would probably say, actually, fine, thank you, I'll take my profit after that. But following the roller coaster strategy, we come back down, we take the trailing stop out at this point here, and we take our profit. Very simple. We come back down on this one, we move back up. There is signal now on the way back up, but it never gets triggered. So we print the green line there at 52.36. It never breaches. That order goes. But then we get a short signal on this red. So we cancel the long, put the short in, 47.62, and we're still in it now at 39.18. So this is an $8 move on this short. It was a bigger dollar move on there. But it just goes to show you, whether you're day trading or swing trading, sticking to those five stocks, starting to understand that behavior, using different strategies to trade swing trading and to trade the day trading. And I'll probably make some more videos with Twitter to really give you that that sense of just sticking to those five stocks, understanding that behavior and seeing where the groove is. The groove on the 4-hour with the roller coaster is fantastic. Two massive trades here in the last 3 months, one long, one short, and it's still in. We've got the entry, we've got the stop, and then all of a sudden we're adjusting the trailing stop now to lock in profits. Every time this stitching is printed, we just adjust our stop manually. Very, very, very simple. It's a simple strategy. On the face of it, print it visually on the chart. You've just got to follow those rules. But on the background, it's doing a lot of calculations, and that's what trading's about. You're looking at some complex strategies, but keeping it simple, following some simple rules. Hopefully that helps. Speak to you all really soon.